It's still raining, but it's not too bad. It's creeping up a little bit. That's my house and that's my garden. It's pretty cold though. This is the road outside. I'm now standing in it on my bed. You can see that. Just sort of look my car. As long as it stays like that, that won't be too bad. Lovely grey day, as you can see. This is what it's been like for a week now. In fact, it's actually a bit brighter today than it has been. I'm fairly marooned here now. The house where I lived before was sort of about half a kilometre up that way there, which is sort of nearer the shops and nearer everybody that I know. So nobody can get in or out of here at the minute, so I'm probably not going to see anyone for a few days. But at least I've got some power still. Don't know how long that will last. I'll probably have to switch it off if it carries on. Anyway, not no internet either. So I'm going to go and read my book.